10% vote. That's it. How many of you think Cynthia will make out the win? Around 70%. The remaining 20% is for them, is it? Okay, so what we'll do is, we'll not have a game for you, but you will build a team. We'll have a game between your team and her team. Okay? So, first call is always for ladies, right? Cynthia bhai, you can choose your team. Right? You can call anyone, preferably 15 years and above. Aku, please come forward.
Thomas.
Okay, Thomas is there. Aku will be here. Okay. Lenny, please come forward. Come forward.
Mrs. Kiran.
Mrs. Kiran.
Mr.
Okay. Vinita, yes. Yeah, so Vinita will be here.
Tina.
Tina, okay. So the last call for you.
Solomon.
Solomon, a choir master. Please come forward, sir. Yes. Okay. Votes for Ronald, make some noise. Okay, how many votes for Cynthia? Make some noise. They are not making noise when you are on stage. I request with your team, the team managers also can come down here. Just come down, just a step down, so that we will not have. Okay, so and children, if you want to join any of your parents, yeah. So we will not play that game then. Have you played treasure hunt? Many times, no? Okay, so we will not play treasure hunt also. How about your scavenger hunt? Have you played scavenger hunt? No? You not played? Then we play that game today. Okay, scavenger hunt is very simple. All that you need to do is, I'll tell few things. You need to go and get it from the guest with their permission. With their permission. So that is the rule number one. And you are not allowed to take anything from first 3 rows. First 3 rows you can't take anything. Okay, let's start with the demo one. First row, yes. And you can't take it, you can't exchange your things, or you can't use your own properties. Okay, let's start the first demo one. All that you need to do is, you need to go and get any debit or a credit card. Any debit or a credit card. Yes. Any debit or a credit card. Easy. Go down very fast. It's a demo. This is a demo. Oh, you're coming? You didn't get a card? Okay, where is card? Card can answer. Demos there. Okay, so you understood, right? This is how we will play the game. Right? Okay, next stage. Everyone need to get it. The one who gets last will get out. So we'll have 9 rounds, quickly 9 rounds, and then let's see. Hello. Someone, please come a little this side. Okay, so you need to return this card when you're coming back here. You need to come here with any currency note. You need to give this back and come here with it. You can give. You are a team manager, so you will have only the team that's playing. Okay? Yes. Okay. The last one to reach here is 1 wicket down from Ronald's team. What's the name? Aku is the last runner-up. A big round of applause. Thank you so much. You can go and take your seat. No, wait. Hold on. Okay. So now, if you got 500, you will keep it in my pocket. No? Oh, no, it's okay. No, it's okay. No. So you need to return this amount, and when you come back here, you will come here with someone's handkerchief. Okay, the last one to reach is Suraj is out. Okay, 2 wickets down from Ronald's team. Okay, let's see. Okay, now. Okay, how many of you still think Ronald's team will make out? Make some noise. of you think Cynthia will win? 5 versus 3 now. Let's have the third round. You need to return this handkerchief. Where is your handkerchief? No, you can't. You need to hold it, yeah. So you need to return this handkerchief. When you come back here, you need to come here with someone's bangle. Bangle. Easy. Okay. One more wicket down. He has not taken 500 only. Still some hand. Okay, so it's now 2 versus 5. Okay, 2 versus 5. Let's see. Extra player will take it afterwards. Okay, now you need to return this, and when you come back here, remember when you come back here, you need to come here with someone's white hair with the permission again. With the permission, without permission. One, two, three. Still have a chance. Any volunteers who can come it? Okay. Yes, just want to check. Not there. Yes. Okay, this time the wicket is down there. Okay, so it's 2 versus 4. Okay, you can't return this, you can't fix it. Okay, so put it somewhere, the corner, okay? Don't put it somewhere else, okay? Now, you need to go and get someone's watch. Someone's watch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. The wicket is down here. Okay, so 3 versus 2 now. 2 versus 2. Okay, let's say the next round is the 5th round. You need to return this watch, and when you come here, you need to come here with someone's left leg footwear. Okay, so the last one. Okay. Was it? That's China, you're right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 versus 2. The left one. Left, and. No. This is left, right. Both are left. This is right. You still have a chance. No, you see, both have still chance. You need to come with the sandals or let's see, who will come first? Okay. Left one, right? So you need to return this, otherwise they can't go home. Right, that's a dangerous. You need to return this. When you come here, listen, when you come here, you need to come here with. Where are you running? Yes. You need to come here with. Okay. Someone's handbag. Oh, okay. The last one to come here, man out. What is your bag? Yes. Okay, so we have 2 and 1. So now, how many of you think Ronald can still make out? 10% to 50% voter. What magic you have done? Okay, how many of you think Cynthia can win this show? She still have simple majority. Okay, let's see now. All that you have to do is next task is you need to return this back, and when you're coming back, listen carefully. Don't run. Until I say don't run. I'll give a time 3 to 1, then only you can go. Okay, so back. Switch back. Okay. So you need to go and get some strangers. Wait, not for the wait. Listen now, I said some strangers' phone you need to get it. Wait. I'll tell you. Till now we haven't seen them. Till now we haven't spoke with them. The first 4 rows are prohibited. Right? First 4 rows are prohibited. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. You got it right? Smartphone. You need to return this first, and then you need to get that. Your time starts now. Strangers for you. Whose one is this? Some sisters. Okay. Parishilla. Prachitla. You haven't seen them before? Okay, good. So next thing what you need to do is now you have 2 minutes time. Okay, it's not who comes first. The task is you need to go back to the person. You need to ask them to unlock the phone, and then you need to take a selfie. Wait, with the person you need to take a selfie. Whoever's selfie is good, they are the winners. Remember, it's not the first come first serve. It is 2 minutes time I'll give. The best selfie will win the prize. Yeah, the time starts now.
They switch places.
30 more seconds left. Just 30 seconds left. We're giving fast. Who selfie is best? I will not take this trouble to judge whose selfie is better. We have a photographer there, official photographer. So please come here and you need to convince him why your selfie is better than others. Yes? Okay, so the best selfie is this side. So the winner is and the double winner of this game is Mrs. Cynthia Nikku. What's her name? Vijeta. Vinita, right? Vinita and Vijeta are the winners. You both will get the prize, right? And Ronald and Cynthia will give the prize. And before we will discuss for the other games, I request Reverend Father Paul, yes, DB.